Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the ROG STRIX G713. First of all, the design on this is amazing. I love the way that it has LEDs all around, which really enhanced our current RGB setup. The colours can be customised and can also be linked with in-game events. Although I think the lighting is great, I know it might not be for everyone, so what's handy is you can switch off the LED lights to have it looking more like a normal laptop. The build quality on this is incredible, it feels sturdy and the materials feel really premium. The bezels are pretty thin, giving you a generous amount of screen space, and the materials feel strong and premium. The keyboard felt sturdy, was well laid out and just felt really nice to use. And the trackpad was accurate and responsive. In terms of ports, we have two USB ports and a headphone jack on the left side, and on the back we have a USB, USB-C, HDMI, RJ45 and charge port. This 17.3-inch screen gave me plenty of screen space, and the full HD display gave pretty sharp visuals on a range of content. The IPS panel gave vibrant and accurate colours, as it covers 100% of the sRGB colour spectrum and 76% of the Adobe colour spectrum, and it had barely any colour distortion when viewing from a range of angles. This awesome laptop has a refresh rate of 300Hz. Yep, you heard that right, 300Hz. The refresh rate, combined with a response time of just 3 milliseconds, gave me smooth, sharp and fluid gameplay. I also didn't have any stuttering or tearing thanks to the adaptive sync technology. The graphics card on this is the brand new Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070, which offers ridiculously realistic ray tracing and AI features such as DLSS AI rendering, which can boost frame rates, as well as AI acceleration in creative apps. In terms of processors, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, which is perfect for gaming laptops. It has 8 cores and can be overclocked. The gaming laptop has 5 settings, which are Windows, Silent, Performance, Turbo and Manual. These preset modes are just a range of settings from cooling to GPU to make sure you have the optimum settings for what you're doing. This laptop performed really well when running multiple apps simultaneously thanks to its 16GB of RAM, which would be great for those who like to stream whilst gaming or watch gameplay run-throughs. You don't have to worry about storage, as it's equipped with a 1TB SSD, offering a huge amount of fast onboard storage, which is perfect for saving games and other large files. The battery life on this was absolutely brilliant. With moderate gaming, some media streaming and web browsing, it lasted over 6 hours. This makes it perfect for taking on the go all day, as you don't need to worry much about charge. However, on longer trips where you'll need charge for more than one day, luckily this has a USB-C port, so if you have a USB-C phone, you can use your phone charger. The audio on this laptop really impressed me, as it has twin smart amp speakers which are pointed directly towards you. When using headphones, I could experience 5.1.2 channel surround sound by Dolby Atmos, which allowed me to feel really immersed in the action and gave a brilliant audio experience that you don't often get on a laptop. It also has two-way AI noise cancellation, which helps to reduce noise from incoming and outgoing audio. This made it great for recording audio on, as it sounded really sharp and clear. And for those who stream or chat with others while gaming, I think this would really benefit you. This ASUS has Intel Wi-Fi 6 with Gig+, which can boost peak interface bandwidth and increases efficiency and reliability on crowded networks. On top of this, it offers lower latency for reduced game lag, or if you wanted even lower latency when multiplayer gaming, it has a built-in RJ45 to complement the Wi-Fi. The fans on this laptop were incredibly quiet, and it worked well at keeping really cool even when under heavier workloads. Overall, this is a pretty awesome gaming laptop with excellent specs and features, from incredible refresh rates to Nvidia's brand new graphics card, Wi-Fi 6 and Dolby Atmos audio. What do you guys think of this laptop? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Today we'll be reviewing the ROG STRIX G713.